guys, Moshe the Electric Israeli here. Thank you for joining my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all my patrons and those who order their Tesla using my referral code. I've been doing quite a bit videos on Tesla stock, not because I'm Tesla stock analyst. I am, just full disclosure, I do own Tesla stock. Not because I recommend anything, I don't, or because I'm stock broker or stock analyst or anything. The reason I do it because it indicates to me, it shows me things about Tesla future. So the cash is very important, sales are very important. I want this company to succeed because I care about electric cars. And I show you some graphics. This is a very volatile stock, up and down, looks like a canyon here, like peaks and valleys. And two things happening that caused the stock to go down significantly last week and go right back up. And that's, of course, a lawsuit by some Tesla stock shareholders, about the whole Solar City acquisition, blaming Elon Musk that he was too much involved, that Solar City, that Tesla and SpaceX really bailed out Solar City in the tune of $2.6 billion. Solar City is a company that was losing money, and some people thought it was really ill-advised for Tesla to buy it and to make it part of their business. And Elon Musk was there and too much involved. So there is going to be a court session about this. It's a lawsuit. Also, the other things that contribute to Tesla volatility is that there is a tremendous amount of decline in car sales in China in particular, and also in the EV market, 10%. I mean, China did not go down in sales of cars for decades, and it's down 10%, especially NIO, electric car company that may produce some electric cars, lost, for example, just recently $462 million in like a couple months, and that's compounded on many other bad months for the company. So now you can say the speculation is going to affect Tesla. However, I feel this is just a feeling, I don't know, I feel that Tesla may be positioned much better in China once they start rolling out Tesla Model 3s from Shanghai, and they're actually going to do very well. But it is a concern. Now, Tesla sales anticipations for Q3, which probably going to break all records, cause the stock to go back up. What I'm trying to tell you, the volatility of the stock is so incredibly violent. I mean, we're talking about $18 drop a day, $13 gain the next day. It's unbelievable how news and rumors and anticipations and hearsay affect the stock so incredibly in a very volatile way. So this is not for the weak of heart. This is not what you trade on a daily basis. You hold it and you hope for the best. So we'll see what happens. I'm more curious about the Solar City lawsuit, and I'm not too much worry about the China thing. I think they're going to do very well in China. Let me know what you think, especially on the China part of this video. All right, put your comments below. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow.